Okay, folks, let's talk about funding your Kraken account. Now, I know you're probably excited to dive into the world of crypto, but before you can start trading, you need to get some funds into your account. So, how do you do that? Why Kraken? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly talk about why you might choose Kraken. Kraken is one of the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. They offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading options, making them a popular choice for both beginners and experienced traders. Plus, they have a good reputation for security and reliability. How to fund your Kraken account. Now, let's get to the good stuff. There are a few different ways to fund your Kraken account. Here are some of the most popular options. Bank transfer. This is one of the most common methods for funding a Kraken account. You can simply transfer money from your bank account to your Kraken account using a wire transfer. The process is usually pretty straightforward, but it can take a few days for the funds to clear. Credit or debit card. You can also use a credit or debit card to fund your Kraken account. This is a quick and easy way to get money into your account, but it's usually more expensive than using a bank transfer. Cryptocurrency transfer. If you already have some cryptocurrency, you can transfer it to your Kraken account. This is a great option if you want to avoid fees and get your money into your account quickly. E-wallets. There are a number of e-wallets that you can use to fund your Kraken account. This is a convenient option if you already use an e-wallet for other purposes. Step-by-step instructions. Now that you know a few different funding options, let's walk through the steps of funding your Kraken account using a bank transfer. Go to the Kraken website and log into your account. Click on the Funding tab at the top of the page. Select the currency you want to deposit. Choose bank transfer as your funding method. Enter your bank account details and the amount you want to deposit. Click Submit. Once you've submitted your deposit, it will take a few days for the funds to clear. You can track the status of your deposit in the funding section of your Kraken account. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when funding your Kraken account. Be sure to use the correct bank account details. If you enter the wrong information, your deposit will be rejected. Allow enough time for your deposit to clear. It can take a few days for bank transfers to clear, so be sure to factor this into your plans. Be aware of fees. Some funding methods, such as credit card deposits, may have fees associated with them. Be sure to check the Kraken website for a list of fees before you make a deposit. Be careful when entering your personal information. Kraken takes security very seriously, so be sure to only enter your personal information on the Kraken website or app. If you have any questions, contact Kraken support. Kraken has a team of customer support representatives who are available to help you with any questions you may have. Funding your Kraken account is a simple process that can be done in a few easy steps. Just choose the funding method that's right for you and follow the instructions carefully. With a little bit of patience, you'll be able to start trading cryptocurrencies on Kraken in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.